Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your references and setting a consistent scale. This saves hours later. Use primitives to block the head, torso, limbs, and major accessories so you can judge proportions. Once done, refine the silhouette until it matches your references from all views. Make sure to name and freeze reference planes and use symmetry where applicable. These early decisions determine pose range and joint topology, so spend focused time refining proportions before moving into detailed sculpting. You now switch to sculpting fine anatomy, clothing creases and gear. Concentrate on primary then secondary forms to avoid muddy detail. After sculpting, retopologize to create clean, animation-ready edge loops around knees, elbows, and the face, because topology governs deformation. Once topology is stable, bake normal, ambient occlusion and curvature maps from the high-res sculpt to the low-res mesh for texturing. Make sure to verify bakes in your renderer. Poor bakes will hide detail and break shading later on. You rig the figure with a basic joint chain or meta-rig, and paint skin waits to ensure clean deformations when posing. Test extreme poses early. Then texture with PBR layers, base color, metalness, roughness, and normal, using your baked maps for accuracy. Once textured, pose your character for final renders or export at the desired scale for printing. If you see stretching, seams, or shading artifacts, isolate whether it's bad weights, flawed UVs, or a corrupted bake. Retopologize or rebake only the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.